Today I'm going to show you a Forex scalping strategy that involves a great indicator. It's a free trading view indicator. You can use it as much as you like. And this is also episode 3 of my Forex scalping challenge. Here are the results from the last 2 videos and enjoy the trading session. Okay, so I just placed a trade on EURUSD for a buy. There was a nice bullish engulfing candlestick just over here, and it should be a nice trade towards the upside. As you can see, I had a nice buying position over here. It even shows that there is a B for a buy. Likely bullish pressure is incoming, right? So let's try to make sense out of these things, and it does make sense for a buy because we just broke out this previous area of downtrend, right? Every time it touched, it went towards the downside. Now we had a nice buy, it broke out, should be a nice trade towards the upside. If we have a look at the 5-minute, we are very much far away from anything that we should consider a sell. So really, rectangle tool, if we have a look, this was the previous area zone. I'm expecting a nice push, exhaustion, push back towards the upside scenario. So after just a couple of minutes, we are seeing some bullish pressure, a bullish engulfing candle. If in the next 4 minutes, it actually manages to close it, it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the trade. $120 in the profit at the moment. Let's see what will happen next. I mean, 2 bullish engulfing candlesticks looks pretty good. I might just close it off. Missed it a little bit. Let's maybe wait for 120, 130. I think we're gonna get it once again, so let's just wait and see. Right, so we're pushing once again. That looks great. Look at this candlestick moving. That looks nice. $160.
Hello, I like money.
Minus the commission. That looks pretty good at the moment. So let's take a look at our balance. $3,138 in profit, which is great. So since we profited yet another $100, we can actually unlock yet another currency pair. And I believe I will unlock the USD Swiss franc currency pair. I think this one can be great for scalping. I think if we enter the trade once again for a EURUSD buy, there could be a nice potential for this trading opportunity. However, if we do get a breakout from this area zone over here, I think this is where we would close off the trade because it would start a bearish kind of pattern once again, and it wouldn't look great. But at the moment, seems pretty good. If in the next 16 seconds we get a bullish engulfing candlestick, that would be even better. Right, so nice. The 1 minute time frame bullish engulfing candlestick looks pretty good. $72. You know what? I'm gonna close off. There we go. $3,181 at the moment. Nice, right? We didn't unlock yet another currency pair, but that's totally fine and okay. I think it's gonna drop back down a little bit. That's what I was expecting, because there could be a downtrend kind of forming. That's why I want to see, you know, a kind of push, exhaustion push through this area zone. That would be great. However, as you can see, exhaustion once again is happening, and that's why I closed off the trade early, just to not ride this wave. We have this kind of support over here. We had a previous sell signal just over here, so we could potentially enter here for a better entry opportunity. And I mean, everything is trending towards the downside anyway. We would ideally want to be looking for a selling opportunity, so I think this could be a great trade. USD Swiss franc, let's do a full lot size trade and see what happens. Pretty much on the area of resistance, and as you can see, it's actually fallen down. Let's take a look at the MetaTrader. $20, not too much since it's the USD Swiss franc, it's not Euro USD. Very volatile at the moment as well. Could find area of sensitivity just over here, although we had a breakout. It seems like this was respected as well numerous times. So really, if we need to wait a little bit more, since we are not much in profit, right? $28 is not too much. If I close it off now, the commission will eat all our money. If I'm gonna get a break of this resistance, I'm gonna definitely close it off. Yeah, I'm gonna close it off. Minus $102. That's totally sucks. Actually, I did not expect this. I really thought it's gonna dip down. It did not. It broke through this area of resistance. Also, Swiss franc currency pair yesterday had the influx in power, so a correction is happening. So that's why US dollar is probably gaining a little more strength against the Swiss franc. I really thought this won't happen, but it did. Let's move on. USD CAD is looking like a great buy, and here's why. Right, okay, we entered the trade 128112 just around here. We got another bullish engulfing candle on the 5-minute time frame. Likely it's gonna bounce off this area zone. That's why I believe we should close off the trade. $110 at the moment. Let's just close everything off. There we go, $3,147 currently in our account balance. Finally, I really like this trade because it crossed over our indicator. It was a nice trading setup to go long, and I thought it's gonna likely retest the previous kind of bottom over here, and it did. Very nice indeed.